Good morning, folks, and welcome to the workshop walk around. It's Friday, the 5th of December, and I've got quite a lot in. So, right, because it's December, I've started lining all the big jobs up, and everybody's leaving them with me. So, we've got Dan's here for full service steering head bearings. I think you saw this the other day. Full service steering head bearings, front tyre, a few other bits and bobs. What else we got? We have got the beautiful ZX7R that is for a list of stuff that I've got to go through it and see. I remember what it is. I know it's the indicator swap and the tail unit because it's got this nasty. Basically, Andy wants it back to original. Look at them shiny tyres that are 500 years old as well, but we're not having them swapped yet. I haven't swapped yet. It's not going to be using it for it. It's on this. It's just going to be looked at for a little while before summer comes. So tyres, does anybody know? I know these don't make the Macadams anymore, but Andy would like something that looks sort of period. Save me looking through the what's on offer. Let's see if anybody else can recommend out. Or shall we go for a more modern sports touring tyre? Right, the Harley, that's the service, that's all done. The KTM is a massive list of stuff. You saw the video, or did you see the video on YouTube of me getting the fuel pump back up and running? Anyway, so it was a non-starter. It now starts, it runs. We've got the exhaust stud that needs drilling out. A few other bits and bobs. It's in a bit of a bad way, but I can sort it. I've got plenty of time. It is the winter period, so supposed to not be so busy. Neil's gone to Thailand, and so I'm on my own for next. Well, Hayden's with me for the next 5-6 weeks, I believe. So, although we're not excessively busy, the diary's still full. So what have we got? Still got the 2 bikes for sale. I've got an ignition on its way for this little scooter. This is the time of year I fetch mine in. The SH is still at home, so I still use that over the winter in the nasty weather. But so I've minted, serviced my Harley and my CBF 600. So you might see them in the background on the next few videos. They're not going to go anywhere for a few weeks. What else we got? Carl's is here. He's not picked it up yet. Carl, you're supposed to pick this up days ago, mate. What's going on? And then this is the one for the leaking rocker gasket. Nightmare job. The engine's got to be unbolted to do that. So we're going to see how bad it's leaking, and then the gent is going to decide whether he wants to take on the cost of having it done or just deal with the little weep. But anyway, so I think it will couple of little bits and bobs. Andy's is all done. I think he's collecting that Wednesday. Brett's is outside for a basic service. And I think that's pretty much it for today. So yeah, it's Friday. Oh, I've also got Sean's dropped me off. You see, winter's here. The doctor is in demand for all the little jobs that I turn away for the rest of the year. So there's an engine rebuild on that. He's got some forks as well as a rebuild. Oh, I've got a pair of Avon Cobras to go on my Harley as well. Plenty to keep me entertained. But I might go insane because Hayden, although he is coming in and he will be in just about every day, he's only in for 3 hours a day. You for today, they're not cut out for long hours, are they? But yeah, he's at college most of the time. That's his excuse. What an excuse. Right, that's it. I'm mumbling. I'm rambling. I think that's it. Does anybody want to ask me anything? I'll have plenty of time later when I'm sat down for a coffee to answer any questions. So thanks for watching. Please come again.